How to send a direct message on the TikTok Lite application. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily send a direct message on the TikTok Live application. First thing first, you have to open up the app, and from here at the bottom, you'll see different tabs like Home, Discover, the plus icon to upload a new video, Inbox, and Me. You just want to head over to the Inbox tab and you will find all of your activity here. Now, to access your direct message, you just have to tap on this arrow icon at the top right corner. Now, it will take you to your direct message. If you want to message someone that you've previously messaged, you just have to tap on the message and then you just send a message to them. Now, once you do that, this is the first method. The second method is to actually go ahead and scroll on your TikTok. And if you want to message to someone, you just swipe left on the screen to visit their profile, and you have an option to say hi to them. So just tap on say hi, and you can send a message directly from their profile. These are two simple ways to send a direct message onto the TikTok Live app. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.